Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we are going to cover some simple grammar basics that will help you improve your speaking and writing. Let's get started. Our first topic is articles. Articles are small words we use before nouns to show whether the noun is specific or general. In English, there are three articles: a, an, and the.
Let's look at how we use them. A is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, I saw a dog in the park. An is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Example, she's an artist. The is used when we are talking about something specific. Example, the book on the table is mine. It is also used before superlative adjectives. Example, he is the tallest boy in the class.
Now let's move to our second topic, demonstrative pronouns. These words help us point to specific things or people. The four demonstratives are this, that, these, and those.
This is used for something nearby and singular. For example, this book is interesting. Example, this is a table. That is used for something far away and singular. Example, that car is expensive. Example, that is an elephant. These is used for plural things that are nearby. For example, these shoes are comfortable. And in example, these are boxes. Those is used for plural things that are far away. For example, those birds are singing loudly. Another example, those are windows.
Great job, everyone! Today we learned about articles, a, an, the, and demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those. Practice using them in sentences, and you will see your grammar improve quickly.
You can complete this exercise to make sure you've understood it well. Take a screenshot and write it in your exercise book.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.